Welcome to A-level mathematics. The question is find the derivative of x into x minus 2 whole power 5. This is from the P2 of the uh, A-level mathematics. So we'll use the product theorem. Product theorem is derivative of the product of two functions d over dx of u into v is what? Is equal to first function u derivative of v plus second function into derivative of first. Second function is v into derivative of first is u here. Okay, so we will use this formula here, and here x is v, this is v, and this whole thing x minus 2 power 5 is this is u. You can do it whatever. This is v. Okay, use this. So derivative of this using this formula will be u as it is, x is as it is, into derivative of the x minus 2 power 5 x minus, okay, I write it for you, d over dx of x minus 2 power 5 and plus v as it is. V is x minus 2 power 5 and derivative of the u is x, so derivative of into derivative of x, so derivative of x. Okay, I use the power formula here. Power formula is when you have to find the derivative of x power, derivative of x, any function or x raised to the power n will be equal to n into x power n minus 1. So I use it in here. So this will become x will be as it is, and this will become 5 into x minus 2 power 5 minus 1. 5 minus 1 is 4 into derivative of the function. This function, original function, is x minus 2. Again, x derivative of x is 1 and 1 constant, 2 is constant. Constant derivative क्या आएगा 0 plus x minus 2 whole power 5 as it is, and derivative of x is 1. That's it. So I simplify it. This will become 1 minus 0 is 1, so 5 ones are 5. 5 into x is 5x into x minus 2 power 4 plus this will become x minus 2 power 5 as it is, because 1 multiplied by something is again same number. Okay. This is the answer. You can leave it as it is, or if you want to simplify it, you can take x minus 2 power 4 whole power 4 as common, and inside the bracket we will have 5x from the first here, because x minus 2 power 4 is common, so we're left with 5x from here, and from here we are left with x minus 2 because x power 2, x minus 2 power 4 is common, so we are left with only x minus 2 only. Okay, so answer can be written as x minus 2 power 4 and multiplied by 5x plus x is 6x, so could write it 6x minus 2, and that's it. That's the answer of the question, and I stop it here. Inshallah, in the next video we will do more questions about the differentiation, and we will solve the question related to quotient theorem also. So stay tuned to Play Physics. If you are new to my channel, So please subscribe and press the bell icon. Thank you.